Standard 6 Subject Geography. Lesson number 4 Weather and Climate Part 3. Air pressure. Air has weight, but usually a person may not feel it. The lowermost layer of the air are subjected to the pressure of the layer above them. This increases the density of the lower layers of the air. Therefore, the air pressure is more near the surface of the earth. The air pressure goes on decreasing with the increasing height, and this is known as vertical air pressure. Similarly, difference in temperature also creates changes in the air pressure. These changes take place in the horizontal direction. This gives rise to the winds. The air pressure is measured in millibars using the instrument barometer. Winds. Variations in the air pressure is observed depending on weather conditions. When the air flows from high pressure areas to the low pressure in the horizontal direction, it is called as winds. The speed of the winds depends on the amount of difference in the air pressure. The speed of the wind is measured in kilometers per hour with the device called anemometer. Moisture. We had already seen that it takes more time for clothes to dry in Kochi because of the humidity in the atmosphere. Do you know that atmosphere contains water vapor? The amount of water vapor in the air is known as humidity. The humidity in the air is called moisture. The moistness or dryness of the air depends on the humidity. If the humidity is less, the weather is dry, and if the moisture content of the air is high, then the weather is said to be humid. The amount of humidity is more in the areas near water bodies. The amount of rainfall depends on the proportion of humidity in the atmosphere. Humidity is measured using a device called hygrometer. The amount of humidity is given in percentage. Precipitation. The condensation of water vapor into water droplets or snow particles and its falling on the earth is called precipitation. The different forms of precipitation are rainfall, snowfall, hailstorm, etc. Temperature. We already know that the surface of the earth receives heat from the sun. Due to this, earth's surface gets heated up. As a result, the air closest to the surface gets heated up first, and then gradually the upper layers are heated. Therefore, as we move higher from the sea level, temperature of the earth goes on decreasing. In the same way, the temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator towards the poles. Thus, from this we understand that the weather of a place changes frequently, but the climate does not change that often. The climate is not the same at all the places. In India also, the climate is cold at some places while hot at the other, and humid or dry at some other places. I can do this. Describing the weather of the surrounding areas, understanding the changes in the weather from time to time, discussing the changes in the climate, taking into consideration the elements of the weather, explain the difference between weather and climate. Thank you.